Have you ever wondered why some AI models run instantly on your phone while others need powerful servers? Let's break down small language models versus large language models in simple terms. Language models are AI systems trained to understand and generate human-like text. Examples include models developed by companies like OpenAI and Google. Large language models, or LLMs, are trained on massive datasets and contain billions, or even trillions, of parameters. They are powerful because they can write essays and code-answer complex questions, understand context deeply. Examples include advanced models like GPT series systems. But there's a catch. They require high computing power, more memory, and often run on cloud servers. Small language models are lighter and more efficient. They are designed to run on smartphones or edge devices, use less memory and power, deliver faster responses. However, they may not match LLMs in deep reasoning or complex tasks. Let's compare quickly. Size. LLMs are huge. SLMs are compact. Performance. LLMs are more powerful. SLMs are efficient. Speed. SLMs are faster locally. Cost. SLMs are cheaper to run. Use cases. LLMs, research, coding, advanced AI assistants. SLMs, chatbots, mobile apps, offline AI. In simple terms, LLMs bring intelligence at scale, while SLMs bring AI to everyday devices. The future? A smart combination of both.